Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear brothers and sisters, in the condition of coronavirus elimination from our country, we had requested to ICMR and Health Ministry to decide the date of elimination of coronavirus. So in this regard, Mr. Balram Bhargav, his chief of the ICMR, had sent message on Twitter handle by 9:35 p.m. in the night, means last night. He said that no mathematical model correctly predicted future course of COVID-19 so far. I repeat once again. No mathematical model correctly predicted future course of COVID-19 so far. So it seems he's not certain that when this coronavirus will be end in our country. So in this regard, we replied him, be courageous friend, be result oriented. We have white hope. We have white hope in true God and ICMR. We have white hope in true God and ICMR. Sincerity is essential to achieve milestone. Sincerity is essential to achieve milestone. Do not leave us in danger. Do not leave us in danger. You must have mastery in medical field. You must have mastery in medical field. Make target by declaring date of elimination. Make target by declaring date of elimination would help you to make our country coronavirus free. I will repeat again. You must have mastery in medical field. Make target by declaring date of elimination would help you to make our country coronavirus free. Seek God pleasure. By such negative prediction, your prestige would be in big question mark. By such negative prediction, your prestige would be in big question mark. It seems coronavirus is conspiracy rather than pandemic. Clamp down or lockdown pulled our lives, economy, social and business developments in SOS. SOS. If it is not eliminated, coronavirus, if it is not eliminated, then public become mental disorder patient. If it is not eliminated, then public become mental disorder patient, which is more dangerous than coronavirus. This was our message to him. So, what I would like to request you, to all my brothers and sisters, ICMR and Health Ministry seems discouraged or they are not able to come out. So in this regard, what do? We have to give them moral support by sending SMS, by sending mails, or whatever media you can send, but we have to send it. And why we are emphasizing to determine the date? Because if we determine the date, so we will come up. If we are free of date, free of destination, so this coronavirus pandemic will be linger on. We don't know how much time it will take. Unofficially they are saying up to December. But December also we cannot say, and up to December also it's very difficult to survive. Many people will be destroy our society. So right now we are blind. Right now we are objectless, goalless, uncertain. We don't know when this coronavirus will go, or when we will be free, or when we will be enjoy our social and business life. So we have to decide the dates. As in our personal life, we are also deciding many dates like wedding dates, traveling dates, examination date, meeting date, salary date. So date like a destination. If you decide destination, then you start your preparation accordingly. If you are dateless or destination-less and you are on the bus stand or railway station, you are uncertain where you will go. If you have plan, then you can work accordingly. So that's why we are requesting to ICMR Health Ministry, please make the plan, declare it. If there is any fluctuation come, or some any extension are required, I think so it will not be required, but we can say like this as a soft corner. It's required, so we understand. So please, all the civilians of our country, for the sake of our country, for the sake of humanity, for the sake of our people, for the sake of welfare of our people, please request to ICMR and Health Ministry, please decide the date. Please decide the date of elimination of coronavirus. You can use your hashtag also by Twitter account or by Facebook, whatever. But we have to decide the date. And our ICMR team and Health Ministry both are quite capable. They can do. We don't know what kind of obstacles they have and they are unable to do. But they can do. So all together we have to give them moral support and to enable them to decide a date, and as soon as we have to be free from the coronavirus pandemic. So this is our slogan, this is our hashtag, make India coronavirus free. Make India coronavirus free. Make India coronavirus free. This is our hashtag and this is slogan. And one more thing, lockdown is not a solution. We have to obey as per government directives to wear mask properly, wash hands by sanitizer, and keep distance, and quarantine is required, so we do. So whatever directives are there, we have to maintain. But simultaneously, we have to do this practice also, because this practice is essential, exigent, more important, more inevitable. So date is very much required. Otherwise, without date, we don't know how long linger on this coronavirus. Government don't have problem. They will put only lockdown, which is not solution. Public will suffer financially, morally, socially, in all the way. Public will suffer. And nobody is coming to help us. Nobody will help us. We are alone. Only we are dependent on the help of God. So just we request or we pray to God to come over from this coronavirus pandemic as soon as possible. So one more time I request you, please encourage to our ICMR team and Health Ministry to decide the date and make it free our country coronavirus. Thank you very much. Bye.